Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new leads from the Google Lead form to ProveSource. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead form to other systems. For example, in ProveSource you can send data via webhook, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select one of the sources from which you want to receive new data. In this case, choose Google Lead form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead form. In this case, select ProveSource. At this stage, we need to connect the Google Lead form account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give a name to this account or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now we copy the URL for receiving data and go to the Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section and go to the Assets section. Now select the necessary lead form from which we want to receive new leads. In the lead form settings, go to the Integrations section. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After that, click Send Test Data. Next, click Save and return to your personal account, Save My Leads. After that, click Continue. At this stage, we need to create a ProveSource virtual account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, you must specify the URL for sending data. In order to get it, go to the ProveSource personal account. Next, we need to create a new notification. Choose Stream. Next, select Event Webhook. At this stage, copy the webhook URL and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. Next, we return to ProveSource and complete the configuration. Make sure New Notification is enabled. After that, in the Save My Leads personal account, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you see the fields that you need to fill in to send data to ProveSource. In the Name field, we need to specify the name of the variable. In the Value field, we indicate its value. In order to assign a variable from the Google Lead form to this field, you must click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. If you are satisfied with the preset fields, you can leave it unchanged. Send type, select Post.json. After all the settings, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ProveSource via webhook for each new lead from the Google Lead form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ProveSource. After successful submission, go to ProveSource and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from the Google Lead form to be instantly transferred to ProveSource via webhook, you need to enable auto update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.